This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Land Cruiser versus Land Rover Range Rover. We'll explore their distinct strengths, helping you decide which iconic SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Land Cruiser is celebrated for its legendary off-road capability and unwavering reliability, built to conquer the toughest environments. In contrast, the Range Rover blends sophisticated luxury with impressive all-terrain prowess, offering a refined driving experience both on and off the pavement. When it comes to on-road comfort, the Range Rover truly shines with its opulent interiors, crafted from premium materials and featuring cutting-edge infotainment systems. It delivers a remarkably smooth and quiet ride, making long journeys a pleasure. The Land Cruiser, while comfortable, prioritizes ruggedness and utility, offering a more straightforward cabin designed for durability. Its focus is less on lavish amenities and more on dependable functionality for any adventure. Considering long-term ownership, the Toyota Land Cruiser has an outstanding reputation for reliability and often incurs lower maintenance costs. Its robust engineering means it's built to last, making it a favorite for those seeking enduring dependability. The Range Rover, while offering a premium experience, can sometimes come with higher maintenance and repair expenses. However, both vehicles tend to hold their value well, reflecting their desirability in the luxury SUV market. Regarding performance, the Range Rover often provides a wider array of powerful engine choices, delivering quicker acceleration and a more dynamic driving feel. The Land Cruiser, while not as overtly sporty, offers robust and consistent performance, especially for heavy-duty tasks like towing. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize ultimate luxury and on-road dynamism or legendary reliability and off-road prowess. For great deals, check the description for links to these leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.